I believe India is already at the leadership role, not just in Asia. I think across the world, many of our leaders, I would say, are in senior level positions, even CEOs of global companies. And in fact, India being one of the most populous nation and being the number 4 in terms of GDP, with the kind of interventions we are having and the initiatives taken in India, I think we are going to be number 2 in a very short time. That's what I believe in. And especially in the areas of IT and artificial intelligence, we have all the talent, top talent in India, and we have made large strides in terms of achieving leadership position in these areas. What I believe we need to focus on is the manufacturing domain, developing skills of our students who are going to enter their career. I think that is one area where we need to focus. I think the government of India is doing these things in the right way, focusing more on developing skills and allocating large amounts of budgets for that purpose. I would say that India is in the right direction with the kind of leadership we have at the center. We have seen the turmoil which India went through over the last few months, especially because of the FTA we could not finalize with the US, and the kind of aggressive stance which the American government has taken. But I think India stood their ground and they've been quite resilient. And it's good to see that we came around, and then now the FTA is just, I think, a days away from being signed, and we could achieve that 18% tariff now from 50%. I think our leadership stood the ground and they've not actually given in to the provocation from the others. And what they did right was signing the FTA with UK and few other countries, especially the recent FTA which we signed with the European Union, has paved the way for the Americans to come around and finalize the FTA with us. I think Asia SpeakIn Leadership Forum is already working. I think I had an opportunity to go through the magazine, which was given to me this afternoon. They've already made inroads into several countries, and the kind of interactions and dialogues they're having with the leaders from these various nations, it's going in the right direction, and I believe they should continue to do that. I think we have these IT skills, abundant IT skills, and most of the, I think, interventions in AI are hosted from India. If you look at the GCCs, the mushrooming of GCCs, I would say, if you go to cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, you don't even know how many GCCs exist there and what kind of interventions they are working on. And it will be difficult for other countries to keep pace with us, and we had an early mover advantage, and I'm sure that our leadership will build on that, and we continue our number 1 leadership position in that area.